Hi, in front of me is LG K22 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. Firstly, open tab menu and click on auto rotate icon. Auto rotation is now turned on. You can turn it off the same way. You can also go into settings, choose display, tap on advanced, scroll down and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If you want to check out if it works, go into any app, for example gallery, and turn your phone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!